We've been working hard on our backyard renovation for several weeks now, and we've made great progress. We've installed a fence that completely encloses the yard so that we could safely install the shipping container pool. And just the other day, Luke and his team installed the deck to go with it.
So the first thing that we see is that you chose composite decking.
Yeah, we love the low maintenance aspect of this material. Without having to stain it every year, we still can have this nice brown golden color. And we love that because you installed the boards lengthwise along the pool, we have really nice sight lines that don't even have any fasteners showing, which is amazing too.
And that's because we went with a product with a groove-in groove on the side of the decking. So this allows us to use a hidden fastening system that clips the side of the board and has a fastener that goes into the joist below to secure the decking to the frame.
Yeah, the hidden fasteners were a huge bonus for us, and I love that it helped us conceal things like access to the mechanical closet over here. I love how you constructed this hidden panel.
What we did was we used a marine grade plywood to fasten the decking boards and keep those square and in line. We have a stainless steel hinge, so we'll never have any rust. We framed it so that the access door, when it closes, it has full support, it's not gonna fall below. And when it closes, it's all secure.
And I love that it's here when we need it, and it's completely hidden when we don't.
That's right.
Now, one of the biggest design decisions for this deck was figuring out how to tie it into our existing patio, and I love that you were able to open up our railing.
Yeah, so one of the great design features to me on this deck are the flared stairs from the patio to the deck below. We were able to incorporate white composite rails to really blend in with the rails on your existing patio. We also put riser lights in the stairs to illuminate the walkway and also create a little ambiance at night. And we put a couple of post cap lights on all the handrail to again just kind of give us some perimeter lighting.
So we've ordered a vinyl pergola kit. Now, I know they do come in standard sizes. You can also customize the size of it as well. But we picked vinyl because we love that it will match the vinyl railing that's going around the deck and be easy to clean, which is a huge selling feature for us. But there was a lot that we didn't know when we were looking for a kit, like whether it should be reinforced with steel versus wood.
Yeah, there are a lot of options when it does come to choosing your pergola, and you really pick the best one that's probably best suited for how you want to use it and really how it's fits in with the rest of the components on your outdoor living area. So this is a vinyl pergola. This kit, we actually are using reinforced aluminum to reinforce the beams and the rafters.
Okay.
Some products do come with wood. Typically though, you have to go out and purchase that wood yourself as a homeowner.
Which you have to factor into the cost.
Yeah, it's a big hassle for some people. So this is kind of a real nice kit. We went with a 6-inch square column post sleeve. We have an 8-inch beam that'll be attached to the posts. And then on top of the posts are the 2x6 rafters. And I see this is our reinforced aluminum. That's going to go inside the beams and the rafters. And then we went with a 2x2 shade slat to give us that shade that we're looking for. Let's integrate the pergola column into the handrail posts that are already existing.
Okay.
So there's our 4x4 handrail post we're talking about.
Okay.
So now we have a 6x6 square column sleeve that needs to be installed. But we've got to build this out and make it basically a 6x6 size.
Okay, so wider and taller.
This is the one that's kind of freestanding all by itself. So what we actually did before we put the decking down is we put support blocks underneath in place where this is going to be going. So we'll put this right where it is, so we're square with the other 3 posts, and we'll put some lag bolts into the deck frame.
All right, so these are the beams that are going to run across the width of the deck. What do we need to do to get these prepped for install?
We're going to want about every 16 inches to lay out where our rafter clips are going to go.
So much easier to install them while these are down here, and we can line everything up perfectly with these clamped together.
So next we'll attach the PVC beam ends to the beam itself. So we're going to use a PVC glue. You chose a rafter tail with a clip corner.
A little bit more modern looking.
It really does, yeah. It keeps the lines real nice and clean.
Now that our rafters are prepped and the tails are installed, we're ready to put them up on the beams.
Yeah, let's get started.
Once we put them on beams, we're going to be using the brackets and screwing through the brackets and into these to secure them. All right, so these are the shade slats, and these are the things that are going to go perpendicular to the rafters.
Yeah, this is the part that really gives us that shade. So all we have to do is place them up there, space them out, and screw down through the top into the rafter.
I think it turned out absolutely beautiful, and I think it really finishes the deck off.
We'll enjoy it.
Thanks for all your help.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.